Your coffee table is the centerpiece of your family room, but it's often the first place where things start to pile up. But in just 15 minutes, we'll make your coffee table look great again, inviting, stylish, and ready for the season. Hi friends, I'm Simply Sherry, and we are doing a quick 15-minute reset of your coffee table. Choose the one in the family room or the living room, the playroom, the basement, or a sitting area. Then turn on your 15-minute timer on your watch or your phone and put it near the coffee table. Turn on some music, and this is going to go by quickly. You'll be so happy that you took the time to do this. Number one, clear the surface. So for the first 5 minutes, you're going to take everything off of the coffee table. That includes plants, the tray, remote controls, magazine, books, maybe a tissue holder, and random items, food, trash, whatever's on there, you're going to take it all off. By doing this, you're creating a blank canvas, and it's going to give you an instant sense of order. Now you're going to clean that surface and the legs and any nooks and crannies in your coffee table. Take your spray and wipe it down. Number two, decide what belongs. This is going to take you 5 minutes. So what you're going to do is look at your coffee table and think about what actually should go there. So for sure, trash doesn't go there. So go ahead and throw away the trash. Maybe books for school or for your work doesn't belong there. So go ahead and put that where they belong, whether it's the kids' rooms or their backpacks or your work bag. Maybe you have dirty dishes or glasses. Go ahead and put those in the sink. You might have opened up an Amazon box and you have a new item. Go ahead and take that item and find a place for it. If you have mail, take your mail and put it in your mail area. If there are snacks, go ahead and put them back in the pantry or into your snack bin. You're only going to put back what adds to the space, what makes the space functional. So for example, you need your remote control. So you might have a tray. That's where you put your remote control. I like to have a box of tissue, so I put that there in a decorative tissue holder. And that's about it. That's all I have on my coffee table. You may want to have a small plant or a candle, whatever you feel like will make your space functional. This is your opportunity to make it as minimal and decluttered as possible, because once when you're sitting down and maybe you're watching TV or you're having a conversation without a lot of stuff there on the coffee table, it's just going to feel better in that space. Number three, add a decorative touch. So for the last 5 minutes, you're going to look at your space and decide, do you want to keep that book or add a book? Do you want to add a candle? And for this season, do you want to put a nice holiday decoration? Maybe example, what I like to do is I have a little Christmas teddy bear that I like to prop up against the Kleenex holder, and that's about all the decoration that I like to put on my coffee table during this time of the year. And the reason for that, since I like to host events during this time, I still want my coffee table as clear as possible, because people will be putting their drinks there or their food. I also have coasters on each of my coffee tables, so I just want to have as much space as possible. Even the side tables, since we're talking about entertaining and having space for people to put their drinks and food, I like to have all my side tables next to my chairs and couches in my family room and living room to be clear. Number one, clear the surface. Number two, decide what belongs. And number three, add a decorative touch. If you found this quick 15-minute coffee table reset helpful, then hit the subscribe button. I share more tips and tools on how you can enjoy a calm and organized home. If you'd like to dive deeper or get more unstuck, sign up for my newsletter. It's called Tuesday Transformations. I send out weekly tips, how-tos, ideas, products, and encouragement so that you can create a home that you love. See you in the next video, where I share 5 quick things that you can declutter from your fridge.